Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your sales funnel with ClickFunnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your sales funnel using ClickFunnels, begin by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Select the funnel you wish to upgrade from your dashboard. Review the existing funnel steps to identify areas for improvement. Click on the step you want to modify to open its settings. Adjust the content of the page to make it more engaging and relevant to your target audience. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to enhance visual appeal. Update your copy to focus on the benefits of your product or service rather than just the features. Add testimonials or social proof to build trust with potential customers. Next, optimize your lead capture forms by making them straightforward and user-friendly. Consider integrating email marketing services for better follow-up with leads. Check the settings for your email sequences and ensure they are tailored to your audience's needs. After updating the funnel steps, it's important to review the overall flow of the funnel. Make sure there's a logical progression that guides prospects from one step to the next. Perform a test run of your funnel to ensure everything functions smoothly. Look out for any broken links or technical issues that could hinder the user experience. Once satisfied with the performance, launch your upgraded funnel. Monitor the analytics provided by ClickFunnels to track the success of your updates. Make necessary adjustments based on data-driven insights to continuously improve your funnel performance. Engage with your audience through follow-up campaigns to better nurture leads and encourage conversions. Regularly revisit and tweak your funnel to keep it aligned with changing market trends and customer preferences. By following these steps, you will enhance your sales funnel and drive better results with ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.